In a massive anti-narcotics operation, the BSF and the Directorate of Revenue Intelligence, Agartala jointly recovered a huge consignment of Yaba tablets and other pharmaceutical drugs with an estimated black market value of over rupees 8.21 crore in the Sepahijala district. The operation, which unfolded on Friday night and concluded on Saturday morning, dealt a significant blow to the cross-border drug trafficking network. The joint team acted on specific intelligence regarding the movement of a large shipment of Yaba tablets along the Agartala-Bishramganj road. A mobile check post was established on the Agartala-Bishramganj road late on Friday night to intercept the vehicle. During vehicle checking, a Suzuki Eco van TR01 C80353 attempted to evade the checkpoint, speeding off towards Udaipur via the Vishalgarh bypass. The BSF and DRI team immediately launched a chase. The joint team finally located the vehicle abandoned near Kalkalia High School on Saturday morning. Upon inspecting the vehicle, the agencies made a substantial recovery of 10 packets containing approximately 10 kg of Yaba tablets valued at around rupees 8 crore, 750 boxes of Agartala or 100 Tapentadol 100 mg tablets with an estimated value of rupees 20.32 lakh. The total black market value of the narcotics seized in this operation is approximately rupees 8.21 crore. The seized drugs and the abandoned vehicle have been handed over to DRI Agartala for further legal action and to trace the individuals involved in the trafficking ring. Reported by Jivan from Vishalgarh, Chini, Khorang.